A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a pivotal moment for civil rights and electoral representation, the U.S. Supreme Court is set to hear arguments this Wednesday regarding a critical aspect of the Voting Rights Act, specifically Section 2, which is designed to safeguard the voting rights of racial minorities. This case, involving Louisiana's congressional map, could have far-reaching implications for how race is considered in electoral districting across the United States. Attorneys representing the state of Louisiana, along with the Trump administration, are advocating for the elimination of Louisiana's second majority black congressional district, arguing that it violates the 14th and 15th Amendments of the Constitution. This legal battle comes on the heels of a 2023 Supreme Court ruling that upheld Section 2, mandating Alabama to create an additional congressional district to better serve black voters. The conservative-led court's willingness to re-examine this critical provision raises significant questions about the future of racial representation in politics. The consolidated cases, known as Louisiana versus Calais and Robinson versus Calais, could potentially undermine the protections that Section 2 offers to minority voters, which have been vital in ensuring they have the opportunity to elect candidates of their choice. The Supreme Court's decision to revisit this case is particularly striking given the ongoing national discourse surrounding voting rights and gerrymandering. In recent years, Republican lawmakers in various states have sought to redraw district lines in ways that favor their party, raising concerns about the fairness and equity of representation. The controversy surrounding Louisiana's congressional map dates back to 2022, when state lawmakers crafted new boundaries following the 2020 census. The original map included 5 majority white districts and only 1 majority black district, despite nearly 1/3 of Louisiana's population being black. This led to a legal challenge from a group of African American voters who argued that the map diluted their voting strength, resulting in a court order for a remedial map that included 2 majority black districts. The newly drawn District 6, which stretches from Shreveport to Baton Rouge, has a black voting age population of approximately 51%. However, this change has ignited a backlash from a group of voters who claim that the new districting is a form of racial gerrymandering. Their lawsuit contends that the state legislature's reliance on race to create the new district violates the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. The stakes are high as the Supreme Court prepares to deliberate on these complex issues. Legal experts suggest that a ruling in favor of Louisiana could not only dismantle the current understanding of Section 2, but also embolden similar challenges to existing voting maps across the country. The implications of this case extend beyond Louisiana, potentially creating a ripple effect that could alter the landscape of political representation for minority communities nationwide. Kareem Creighton, vice president of the Brennan Center for Justice, emphasized the importance of Section 2, stating, "A decision that leaves the current understanding of Section 2 in grave doubt opens up, unfortunately, a lot of chaos throughout the country in a lot of different jurisdictions." The Supreme Court's examination of this case comes at a time when the nation is grappling with the legacy of racial discrimination and the ongoing fight for equality in the political arena. The Voting Rights Act, originally passed in 1965, represented a monumental achievement in the struggle for civil rights, and its amendments in 1982 and 2006 further solidified its significance. The current legal battle serves as a litmus test for the court's commitment to upholding the principles of equality and representation for all citizens, regardless of race. As the justices prepare to hear arguments, the nation watches closely, knowing that their decision could reshape the future of voting rights in America. The outcome of this case will not only determine the fate of Louisiana's congressional map, but may also set a precedent for how race is treated in the redistricting process for years to come, with the potential to either reinforce or dismantle the protections afforded by the Voting Rights Act. This Supreme Court case stands as a critical juncture in the ongoing fight for civil rights and electoral equity in the United States. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.